Hi, today I want to show you how to use a traffic exchange for internet marketing promotion. We use traffic exchanges for a number of reasons. Number one, they're quite effective, and number two, anyone can learn how to use them, and they have no cost to join. Now, every traffic exchange does have an upgrade offer, and I'll show you shortly some of the benefits of upgrading, but you are under no obligation ever to upgrade, and you can use each of these sites for free as long as you like. What you're looking at right now is the main page of a very large and popular traffic exchange called Traffic Splash. Um, what I'm going to show you first is how to get your own website set up so that you can get promoting as quickly as possible. Now, there are three things that you can advertise in a traffic exchange websites, which are the URLs to a web page, banners, which you will see as we surf through, and we can send you banners for our program. And that's simply a banner image that will show up somewhere on the web page, and when a person clicks on it, they'll be taken to your website. And the other are text links, which I'll show you as well. But the one we're most interested in are websites. What will happen is we will send you a list of different URLs that you can use to promote the Riptide team. And on a site like this one, I'll simply go to their add-on website box, and I'll fill it in there. That would be my Riptide link. I'll just click on add. It'll go through a verification process that will check it out to make sure it's not against their terms of service. Some of the verifications will look a little different. Many of the new exchanges are using this verification, so you will see it fairly often. Now, I'm going to return to the members area. Once I have my sites, if I have not ever logged into the site before, I probably don't have any credits yet, unless I took an upgrade offer and got some credits to sign up. And many of the sites also will give you a bonus sign up even as a free member. But once you've done that, the site is loaded. All I need to do is I can assign credits by clicking the assign button, and it's just simply a matter of putting in a number, and that number is going to represent the number of views that site will get. That means the number of people who will look at the website. Click on assign, and I'm basically done. Now we'll start surfing to show you what that is and how it works. And as you'll see, I've got 5 different tabs open in my Firefox browser, and in each one I have a different traffic exchange. Now when I click on start surfing, what I'm going to see are our other members' promotional pages to trying to get me to join up with their program. Now, it's not that I haven't um, seen everything, but I've seen many of these pages that are going through, and when new things come up, I do tend to click on them. But it's simply a matter of find the matching image and click. As I go through my different exchanges, I'll do the same thing. And then each one will have a little different look to it, a little different theme, maybe little different things to match up, but they all work basically the same way. I try to serve 5 or 6 of these at one time. And a little trick that I use, I'm not doing that right now because I'm using my cursor, but if I use Control Tab at the same time, it will advance through the tab, so all I need to do is click. Now, what am I seeing on the screen? On each of the screens that I'm going through, of course, there will be someone else's advertisement. And depending on my membership level, I will get anywhere from a 3-to-1 ratio all the way up to a 1-to-1 ratio. And what that basically means is every time I look at a page, I'll be given credit. Now, as you can see, I've gotten 0.52 credits for this, a little better than half. So for every 2 sites that I look at, I'm going to get a credit to have my site advertised once. That's because I'm not upgraded here. I will be, but at present, I don't carry too many upgrades at once just because it can get a little expensive. But I try to keep upgraded in at least 8 or 10 sites at one time so that I can enjoy the benefits. This site, as you see, I am upgraded here, so I've gotten 1 credit for my click. And it depends on, as I said, on what your upgrade level is. You'll notice that as I go through each of these, there are very similar looking pages, which is fine. But you also will have the opportunity as you surf these exchanges to have different bonuses pop up. The bonus pages will usually stand out fairly readily. You can win anything from extra advertising credits for websites, for banner links, for text links, or even cash. You'll notice down the bottom how many credits you have built up, how many times you've surfed today, and any other cash that you've earned. You'll notice I have a little bit of cash built up on this site, and I can turn around and cash that out. So the traffic exchanges themselves not only are good promotion tools, but you can also use them to earn a few extra dollars as well as you are promoting. What you'll need to also look at, we talked before about banners, and this is an example of a banner. On this page, there's a bigger banner down here on the bottom, and they'll basically do the same thing. It'll go on the top or on the bottom. Text links are going to show up in different places. This is an example of a text link, and if I clicked on that, I would go to another member's website. Now it's a fairly effective tool to use, but at first the idea is to get yourself some credits built up and be able to get the websites rolling. We can work on the rest as we move on. So I hope that answers your questions about how to use traffic exchanges, and I look forward to talking to you when we talk about safe lists.